Hello, today I'm in Jeep Wrangler. In this video I'll show you how to use voice assistant. In the beginning, let me just tell you something about the voice assistant. To enable it, you have to press this button and then you can use the commands that will be displayed on the screen display. The commands will be different for every category you will enter. For example, you can enter radio, media, climate, apps, controls, phone and settings, and in each category the commands will be different. So let's start with radio. Let's press this button and let's, for example, tune to different radio station. Tune to 96.7.
Tuning to 90.7 FM.
Now let's go to climate and again press voice assistant button. Set temperature to 20 degrees.
Setting temperature to 20.0 degrees.
And that's basically it. You can search for new commands and learn it yourself. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.